Okay, we're on Reddit and we have a very interesting solution to the happening drop of performance on Facebook ads. We have a post by the wizard of e-commerce. This guy is a wizard of the e-commerce game, right? So we're gonna learn how we can fix the pixel. I'm gonna show the implementation on my screen. I'm gonna share what I think about this implementation. And just let's get started. I'm using a new recording software. So I got some complaints that my voice is not that boosted. So this is why I'm using this recording software. And let's get started. Yo. The Wizard of E-commerce says, quick Facebook pixel fix that can improve your performance. That can improve. He doesn't guarantee improvement, right? Because you cannot guarantee in these days. These days and age, who makes guarantees? You should be very, very careful. He says, today I wanted to share a quick fix that we do for most of our ad accounts once we take over. Some clients have this fully set up and some don't. This has everything to do with event match quality rating on our events manager. You can see the rating of your pixel events, and what he means, the pixel of your events. I'm gonna show my events. So you need to go to the facebookbusiness.com. You need to click the hamburger menu and you need to find events manager. So once you click events manager, you're gonna open your Facebook pixel. So this is the Facebook pixel I'm gonna open. Please don't steal my Facebook pixel. I know you can see my little numbers. Please don't do it. And here you can see event match quality. And here you can see that my event match quality is very, very bad. I'm integrating the Facebook pixel with a platform. So I'm gonna show you how I'll do this. I'll do the steps. And according to this guy, I'm gonna get 10 out of 10 match quality. So let's do it. All right. So the higher the score, the higher quality data you have on your conversion, which leads to better advertising performance. Here are the exact steps with screenshots you need to do to improve your EMQ. EMQ stands for event match quality. EMQ. We have those media bar terms, right? We have those little like big words, big letters. So here's what he said. I already read it. I won't spend any time doing it. So basically what he said is that you need to turn off this option. You need to go to a menu and turn off this option. So I'm gonna do it. What you need to do is go to the events manager. Again, events manager. I'm gonna do it again. What you need to do would be to select the pixel. You need to click on the pixel to open the pixel. So I'm gonna open the pixel, I'm gonna go on settings, and on settings, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, and here you're gonna see this info, right? So here you can turn them all on. This is how he showcased in the screenshot. But what is it important? I think this needs to stay off. Track events automatically without code. Let's see. He said, make sure that track events automatically without code is off. So this is my default. I never touch this setting. This setting is secret to me. So if you want to improve your Facebook ads performance, make sure you keep this off. So this is the default option. I don't remember if I actually turn it off. So I don't have any memories of me tweaking this. So I think this is the default, and this is probably how much you need to how you should keep it off, right? Keep it off. Keep the events automatically without code off. So, and he suggests another thing. Now, once the easiest improvements are done, the next step is to improve the API. So basically, it's like a very, very long explanation of how you should do it. And I'm gonna show you, right? So we're gonna go back to the pixel. We're gonna click on overview, right? We're gonna click on page view, select page view. This is the second improvement. And we're gonna click manage event. And here the next step would be, once you click manage event, right, the next step would be, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, so I'm gonna click manage event. I'm gonna click conversion API. I'm gonna click edit, and here this guy says that you need to click continue. Here again, additional events. I don't have any additional events, so I'm gonna turn this off. You need to again select those, click continue, right? And adjust that data for each pixel. Let's see what he says. So let's see what he says. So once you go to the events, he says make sure you have at least the first 5 selected. This is what we did. That click continue. Select the ones I have selected in. So those are the ones that you need to select. Let me see if I have those selected. So I need event ID for the add to cart. What else? Let me go back. I lost it. Event ID, content ID. Pretty much here you need to select everything. So let me see. So here I'm just gonna select everything. And I need to do this for each event, right? And so this is how you fix the pixel. So I'm gonna go to delete and I'm gonna do the same. Event ID. So let me do it. So basically you get the idea and you need to do that for each event. Purchase event. Let me see if it's like remembering my options. So I'm gonna do it for each event. And according to this guy, once you do that, you're gonna improve your pixel dramatically. So the shadow event is the event that I use the most right now. I'm not doing any purchase campaigns. So let me add those, right? Here, event ID, I'm not sure if I should. I'm just like clicking stuff. The view content is the one I care about. Oops, I clicked on something. So here I'm selecting everything. I'm gonna click the page view. Let's do the page view. Let's see if this improves my score. Probably I won't record another video on the score, or I might do it in 48 days. And let's do the scroll. Let's do the scroll as well. As you can see, it took us a little bit of time. And let's do it. Let's click continue. Let's click continue. And let's click finish. I'm not sure if I need to do something else here. So still, I'm at 5.1 on the page view. So let's see, review everything and then click continue, click finish, repeat the process for all the events. We already did all the events. Once this is done, give it at least 24 to 48 hours and your EMQ will improve and continue to improve. During this thing alone and making sure it's matching, you can improve your results. I'm curious on how many didn't have this fully set up. Share your purchase event match quality score. Our usually hovers from 9 to 0.96. Haven't reached 9.9 out of 10 yet. Hopefully this was valuable. Thanks for reading. See you in the next one. Right, so my quality is 5.1. I'm using optimized pressed. I haven't done the setup fully. So let's see if this works. Make sure you test this in your Facebook ads managers. I don't see if something bad's gonna happen. So here, yeah. This was the video for today. I think it is a very interesting fix. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I'm the only channel that actually goes in the world and just explore what's happening. I'm not a business guru that just like talks on the internet. I'm actually managing campaigns. Yeah, I'm creating campaigns. I'm duplicating campaigns. I'm nothing like those gurus who never manage any campaigns and they just make YouTube videos. My standard of living, the way I pay my bills, everything comes through Facebook ads. This is why you should listen to me. I'm the realist. All right, now let me end this video. Stop record.